Where does the happiness we seek truly reside? Today, we begin a quiet journey inward. The happiness we were taught. From a young age, we learn what happiness should look like. Material comfort, social approval, a life that keeps up with others. We believed these were the right goals, but deep inside, unease remained. A quiet anxiety, a subtle emptiness, loneliness without reason. Time passed, but true peace never stayed. The inner war. Meditation does not bring instant calm. It brings awareness, and awareness can be uncomfortable. Look inside, and you see a dense landscape of emotions and memories. Freedom of the body and freedom of the mind are not the same pursuit. The journey toward mental freedom feels like war. The enemy is not outside, but within. Our identities, emotions, and automatic thoughts. It is easier to give up, to live comfortably, and to disappear quietly into routine. But change has already begun. After years of drinking polluted water, even a sip of clear spring water transforms you. Once you taste genuine inner stillness, returning to an unconscious life becomes nearly impossible. Walking with reality and ideals. You do not have to choose between reality and inner freedom. We spend decades learning to survive in the world. Should we not invest equal effort in understanding and freeing our minds? Even 1 hour a day devoted to self-observation can shift a life's direction. Wholeness arises when practical stability supports the body and inner clarity frees the mind, moving together, not apart. The inner sea and the completed life. A small stream does not fight obstacles. It simply flows, eventually reaching the sea. To live without being trapped by life. To understand death without surrendering to fear. This is what I call a completed life. Meditation is not about creating something new within. It is about clearing away what has accumulated. Mental clutter, emotional residue, distorted beliefs, and returning the mind to its original state. Happiness was already there. It is not something to be achieved. It is the recognition that it has always been within you. To live without being imprisoned by life. To face death without surrendering to fear. This is the life of completion.